So you are looking to lose weight? There are many great products out there, but most of them are super expensive. However, this Black Friday you'll have the possibility to get the best weight loss programs at unbelievable prices. Let's go through the best Black Friday deals that will get you in shape without killing your wallet. 1. Cinderella Solutions. Cinderella Solution is every woman's solution to combating the major decrease in metabolism that occurs after puberty. New studies have shown that women go through a major hormonal transition between puberty and menopause that makes it difficult to lose weight and to maintain a healthy figure, as it diminishes your metabolism. This program teaches you how to reactivate your female fat loss code to boost your metabolism and to start burning off excessive weight. And don't worry, ladies. It isn't a fad diet or some other weight loss nonsense, such as a fancy cream or ancient chants. There's no need to count calories, run on a treadmill or restrict your diet to all extremes either. Instead, the entire system is 100% safe and natural and focuses on getting a specific series of exercises and nutrition into your day that reactivates your metabolism. The Cinderella Solution is an online 4-phase weight loss system designed exclusively for women over 25, and it's based on new research that shows that the hormonal transition women go through during puberty and up to menopause basically destroys the female metabolism, making it near impossible to lose weight or to maintain a healthy figure. Throughout the system, you learn a unique 2-step ritual, specific series of exercises and a proper diet that reactivates your metabolism to help you start burning fat fairly effortlessly. And no ladies, this isn't some calorie counting system or strict diet that only allows you to eat vegetables. It's 100% safe and natural, realistic and plausible for every woman out there. It only requires you to do specific exercises and to get specific nutrition into your day to reactivate your metabolism. Yes, it's that simple. All of the hard work is done for you, and all you have to do is follow through the meal plan, cook up the recipes, do the workout videos, and complete the 14-day plan that is provided to you. The usual price of Cinderella Solution is $187. Just for this Black Friday there is an incredible discount to only $37. Click the first link below in the video description. 2. Eat Sleep Burn. Eat Sleep Burn is an online weight loss regime that teaches you a simple bedtime habit that causes your body to burn off stubborn belly fat as you sleep, as well as effective techniques and strategies for improving your sleep quality and length of sleep to unleash an abundance of health and fitness benefits. And as you know, what you put into your body before you slip off into dreamland plays a huge role in how you gain or lose weight, and function the next day. After all, it's an unwritten rule that you should never eat too close to before you go to bed because that food will sit in your body and turn into fat. However, what might surprise you is that what you do before bed also contributes to how your body stores or burns fat overnight, and that's what Eat Sleep Burn is all about. Sleep is, inarguably, the most important thing you can treat your body to. Your mind and body need sleep in order to function properly. Unfortunately, many people live a lifestyle and have habits that make it near impossible for a restful sleep, thus leaving your body to store fat overnight when it really could be burning it off. Eat Sleep Burn is an online weight loss regime that teaches you the crucial bedtime habits that can enable your body to start melting away fat as you catch up on your sleep. Not only do you start to shed away excess pounds, but you can effectively reverse all sorts of health and performance issues, such as inflammation, gastrointestinal problems, bone loss, low-carb tolerance, hormone issues, and much more. Eat Sleep Burn is worth $197, however this Black Friday the price is only $37. Which means if you simply click the second link in the description below right now you'll get the complete Eat Sleep Burn system including the recipe to make the Sleep Slim Tea for just $37 instead than $197. Before watching the next products to lose weight, if this video is helping you, please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting below. We will come back to you with other great videos on how to lose weight and keep in shape in the next days. 3. Flat Belly Fix. The Flat Belly Fix is a 21-day weight loss system that takes you through the steps of effective and enjoyable foods and exercises to help you achieve your health and fitness goals. It is not a get fit quick fad diet that you discontinue after the 21 days. Instead, it's a comprehensive program that guides you along the first 21 days to changing your lifestyle so that by the end of the program, you will have formed a healthy habit that you can continue with easily and fairly effortlessly. There's no magic pills or ancient chants to recite, just a little bit of work, adjustments to your lifestyle, proper nutrition and 21 days to form a habit. In 21 days, you can have healthy habits embedded into your lifestyle so that you can continue on your new weight loss journey easily and effortlessly. The Flat Belly Fix is a comprehensive system that serves as your nutritional coach and fitness trainer for the next 21 days, providing you with step-by-step instructions, exercises, food lists, nutritional information and much more. It incorporates both food and exercise, which is a huge benefit, as sustainable weight loss is 80% diet and 20% exercise. The program focuses on two fundamental principles, which are a. Hunger and appetite. The energy system shift. This Black Friday the Flat Belly Fix is discounted by 60% and costs only $37. Check the third link in the description below. 4. Leptotox. Leptotox is a blend of a number of natural ingredients that help you lose weight. It targets the specific entity responsible for accumulation of body fat, that is leptin resistance. It constitutes purest, high-quality 22 natural detoxifying nutrients and plant extracts in a small easy-to-swallow capsule to take once a day. Every capsule is manufactured in USA in FDA-approved and GMP-certified facilities under the most sterile, strict and precise standards. These capsules are vegetarian, non-GMO, safe, there are no dangerous stimulants or toxins, and they are not habit-forming or tolerance-forming. This formula is not only incredible for your weight, but helps support a healthy heart, brain and joints, boosts energy levels, and so much more. So, you will also be improving your overall health at the same time. What are the pros? A. It helps you reduce the excess fat around your body. B. It supports heart health. C. It supports healthy kidney function. D. It heals the liver. E. It increases sex drive. F. It raises energy levels. G. It controls blood pressure. H. It has no side effects unless you are allergic to a particular ingredient. There are any cons? A little one, it is only available online. This Black Friday the price of one bottle of Flat Belly Fix is $49 instead of $99. You can get 6 bottles for $198 instead of $594 or 3 bottles for $117 rather than $297. Check the last link in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. We will come back to you within 24 hours.